Hey everyone! In today's Photoshop tutorial, you're going to learn how to upscale and enhance image quality without losing detail. Let's jump right in. Photoshop's AI-powered tools make it super easy to upscale images without losing quality. Open your image. Then go to Image and then Image Size. In the dialog box, check Resample. Then choose Preserve Details 2.0. And then increase the resolution or dimensions. Then adjust the Reduce Noise slider to smooth artifacts. Then click OK and watch the magic happen. This method works great for improving low-res logos, textures, or social media images you want to print big. Now you have high-quality images, skills that can seriously level up your Photoshop game. Don't forget to like the video, comment below what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more design hacks. See you next time.